Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on rndr. In my earlier video, I was showing you that after getting rejected by the resistance of a big rising wedge pattern on the weekly time frame chart, rndr was about to test the support of this wedge, and now we can see that it has dropped down at the support of this wedge. And on the smaller time frame chart, I was showing you this down channel. And after the breakout, we had a short rally, but the price and could not continue its move and move down, and still following this support of the previous channel on this 4-hour time frame chart. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for render that I shared few days back on 29th of May 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal guarded pattern that render was completing on this 4-hour time frame chart. Therefore, I told my members that once it will be entered in this buying zone from $2.56 to $2.46, then we can expect up to 14% reversal from here. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line dropped down, completed the leg here, and reached the sell target zone again, moved down. Then we had another pump, and this was, by the way, almost 12% rally on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've already shared. Now let's move to the live chart, and this is the 4-hour time frame chart. And previously I was showing you this down channel formation, and we broke out the resistance here. And after the breakout, we had a nice short rally, but the price could not continue its move and re-entered the same channel that was previously broken down. And exactly from the support of this channel, it is again bounced. And here we, by the way, also have another short-term support at $2.25. That was after this rally. You can see for several hours it has been breaking as a nice support here, and now again it is proved as a nice support once the price line dropped down here, and we are having another bounce from the same support. You can see now this previous resistance of the this same resistance of the channel can again work as a resistance for the price line. And once the price line will be able to break out, then still the target will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $2.90. Now, if we move to this weekly time frame chart, then here we can see that the price line has again dropped down at this long-term resistance, this uptrend line support, not the resistance of this rising wedge pattern. And you can see previously it was moving inside this down channel. We broke it out here in the month of October 2022. And since then, even before that, we found this resistance here in the month of July 2022 when we had this rejection by the resistance of this rising wedge pattern. At the same time, the price line, not at the same time, after 2 weeks, the price line was also rejected by the resistance of this channel as well. And then you can see that we had several touch points at the resistance and several bounces from the support as well. Now the price line is again moved down at the support, and you can see that the movement is quite squeezed now. This time you can see that we also have an imminent support just below the support of this rising wedge pattern that is here at $2. And in my point of view, for example, if the price breaks it down, this support of the rising wedge pattern, then again we can have another hope that the price can start the next price reversal using this support of $2, and below than that support of $2, we also have this red line support that is the EMA 21 on this weekly time frame chart. And once the price line will be able to break out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern, then we can expect a very, very big move, because the target for this breakout will be here. That will be approximately at $15. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.